Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you are old here, I salute you. Let's get to the video. So we're creating a creative ad flyer. So this is it, creative ad flyer. So first thing first, to create our canvas size. This is it, 4 by 5. So let's check. Let's go straight to the video. So we're going to create our um background. This is it, our background. Okay, let's bring our let's look at our background. So come here to your gradient. From your gradient, you come to your basics. So we pick, let's pick yellow and white. So your style, you come to your style and radiance, you reverse it and you scale it up. You understand? So perfect, perfect. Think so? Okay. So bring in our image. Bring our image. You brought in our image. Let's so I want to walk you up how we did this effect on the image. So let's duplicate this and bring it here. To rotate it. Let's zoom in. So after rotating, you come here, we right click on this, and go to blending option. Go to blending option. So go to blending option, then we come here. You click your alt. You see, they are together. So you click your alt, you click on your alt, and you click that separated, and you drag it. Drag one of them. Same to here, you click your alt, you click it, you drag this one. Same to put that one too. Same thing. Alt click and drag. Alt click and drag. You can see it's make more effect of this place. So let's play with it. Let's play with it a little bit. Instead, so I'll play with it. So I think this is perfect. So this is perfect. Let's click. So now we come. Let's group it together with the image or convert to smart objects. Right click, convert to smart objects. So it is a mistake. Okay, convert to smart objects. So perfect. So let's look on the background. We come here, we bring in this, bring in this. This is the normal one. Normal. That is the normal. So we're going to blend it to screen. Blend to screen. Perfect. They'll bring in this. This. You can see. So let's walk through on how we create this text. Craving for shawarma. Craving for shawarma. So we start craving. Craving your shawarma. Increase it. Then bring it down. You click and drag. You hold Alt, you click, and you drag down. It's as simple as that. So try to duplicate it. Oversize. This month. This month. So now let's go straight to the video. Let's go straight to it now too. We pick bolding, we bold it, and let's walk throughout the effects. So you click on your control until this shows like this. Click on your control to show like this. Then you drag it down, drag this up, drag this like this. To drag. So we've gotten that. So we'll work on the other one. Let's give it a red color. So we've gotten that. So we've gotten the effects. So let's bring in this too. So okay. So since now apply to this too, so there's no different apply to that. So let's arrange it. So that is that. This effect I just did now, check it out on my last video. You see I did the effects. Let's bring in what is information. So we're coming to the end of the video. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. So whenever we post the video, you'll be the first to get it. And we'll post some more amazing videos like this. Step on how to grow as a graphic designer. Many amazing videos we're posting on this channel. So please invite your friends, subscribe to this channel. Please, please. We're posting amazing video back to back. So we've come to the end of the video. So thank you for watching. Peace out.